JT, my Jeep won't start. It won't go, okay? Yeah, she's all over the place, confused, okay? First she said it won't start, then she said it won't go. So what I'm gonna do is they told it here, guys. All right, it starts, so it's not a no start. Now let's see. We'll go. Oh, got that in neutral. How about drive? I'm not moving, guys. So this is a forward drive. Let's try it. All right, I'm in forward drive mode. Now I'm moving, guys. You know what that means? By going into forward drive mode, I shifted the movement to the front axle, okay? So I got a problem. Let me see something. Yeah, I'm not moving in two-wheel drive. In two-wheel drive mode, only the rear axle is operating, all right? So reverse, that's noisy. Oh, who want to take a stab at this before I take it? This is a short video. I'm already out of time. But who want to take a stab at this and guess what I'm going to find? I got to get this thing up in the air to get a closer look. Alrighty, guys. We're about to listen for a crazy-ass noise this thing is making when you put it in gear. I had to put it in four-wheel drive mode just to get it in the shop. Okay, so something's going on with the drivetrain. Y'all hold tight. Four-wheel drive and push it all the way up front to take it out of four-wheel drive. Now, step on the brake and put it in gear.
No, I need to see. I didn't see a good close-up.
All right, start it up, put it in gear.
Put it in drive.
Oh, that's why it won't go.
I know how to bleach it out.
So it must be broke inside of them.
All right, guys. Y'all see that drive shaft broken, so
We'll go from there. All right, shut it down.